Today's class is the vowels. Let's enjoy. Look at this. How do you read it? Okay. Hangul. Who, why, and how did Hangul make it? And what kind of a language is Hangul? Once upon a time, there was King Sejong. 세종 대왕, the famous king of Korea. He is the greatest king of the Joseon dynasty. 조선 시대 and the most respected king in Korea. The greatest achievement is the creation of Hangul. As you know, it's amazing to create letters of a country's language. Hangul was created about 600 years ago in 1443. Before Hangul was made, we borrowed Chinese characters from China. Han, 자, and use them. However, ordinary people, 백성, spoke in Korean but could not read or write because the Chinese characters were difficult. So he made Hangul that were easy for anyone to use, that were easy to write, as we say, that were easy to learn. Okay. Good. It was called Hun Min Chong. And after the 20th century, it was called Hangul. If we are King Sejong, how would make the letters of a country? Right. It's really amazing. If we know the principles of Hangul, Korean is more interesting. Remember, the basics are important. Let's start the vowels moom from now on. Do you remember this class? An introduction 2 and 3. The consonants, 자음, and vowels, moom. They make up Hangul, refer to each letter that forms it. What was the difference between consonants and vowels? Yes, right. The vowel A is pronounced without being blocked in the mouth. The consonant ba has to put both lips together to pronounce the full sound. Ba. First, learn vowels in detail. Look at this. He made basic vowel characters like this. The vowels were modeled after round shape of the sky. the flat shape of the ground or earth, and the shape of the person standing. These three basic characters were combined to form letters. Then, how did he combine them? Look at this example. He combined them like this. This is the scene of the sun rising in the east. This is the setting of the sun to the west. This is the sun on the ground. This is the setting of the sun below the ground. Raise your hand, combine basic characters and write it out. Okay, good. And we can read them like this. A, O, O, U, E. Okay, good. In this combination, he created the vowels with 10 basic and 11 complex vowels. Look at this. 10 basic vowels and 11 complex vowels. We will check this again after learning the pronunciation of vowels. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the pronunciation of single vowels. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.